Hey everybody, welcome back to the Cookout. It's your Uncle Bud here. Today we're doing something a little different. Doing pork, which everybody should love. We'll do a little Asian style. So I got some Japanese 7 spice. Got a mixture of condiments. They're gonna make it nice glaze for these ribs. We're gonna put them on the smoker for a while. Mighty tasty. I hope you enjoy it. Now let's get to it. So we got these nice 4 big country style ribs here. And you're asking, what's a country style rib? Well, it's usually a slice through parts of the pig. Don't really make a spare rib, don't really make a baby back. You'll catch a little, if you look here, that's actually part of it would be a pork chop. I sliced a little piece of little pork chop there, you can see part of the rib bone there. But it's a way to use all the pig you can, which I highly endorse. So first we're going to start with a little kosher salt. As always, I got the smoker outside rolling. We're going to put these on 250. Probably going to smoke a couple hours. So there's plenty of salt. So now we got some, I can't exactly pronounce this. I'm going to give it a try though. It's SHICHIMI Togarashi. It's a 7 spice Japanese blend. This side. Make sure all our sides are covered. Anything lands down on our cutting board here, pat it and make it good too. Alright, those are covered pretty good. So I'll set these outside and we're going to make up our glazing sauce. So now we're going to make our sauce here for our Asian style country ribs. We'll start with some rice wine vinegar. Go with about a quarter cup. We got soy sauce. It's a low sodium soy sauce. Quarter cup. Now I got ponzu sauce, which is a citrus Asian sauce. It's like a soy sauce but made with lime. Another quarter cup. Now we got a little sesame oil. About 2 tablespoons. I got some ground ginger here. More than a few good shakes. There we go, that's about a teaspoon. I got 3 tablespoons of a sliced green onion. Everywhere. We got some honey. About a quarter cup. Top that off. I got some hoisin sauce. Okay, so we're going to go with 1, 3, 4 good teaspoons. And we'll go with 5. Okay. Now mix this proper. We incorporate the mini whisk. So the honey's gonna be a little thick till you get it stirred up. Not easy as that. Flavor sauce. Give it a quick taste. It's really good. I'll go great on those ribs. Well, about an hour from now, when the ribs are ready, we'll glaze these up with it. We'll glaze them up with this, actually. And about another hour after that, they'll be done. And then I get to taste the whole thing. And you get to be jealous again. We'll see you then. So our ribs have been going for a little bit now. It's time to put one more final glaze of sauce on here. See how beautiful that's looking. Nice mahogany color. Sauce is getting nice and sticky. We'll take another, probably another 15 minutes, let the sauce tighten up. Take them back inside and have us tasting this fantastic looking country ribs. Well guys, as you can see here, I've got a beautiful mahogany set of ribs. Country ribs, Asian style country ribs. You can see all those seasonings and flavors, and multiple times I've brushed them with that sauce we made. Let that sauce tighten up, wait a little bit, put a little more on. They look and smell fantastic. Now I'm gonna have me a taste. I am going to use a fork and knife on this one. Typically we don't. We'll set these to the side here, just so they're out of the way. Watch me cutting this guy right here. Now, I don't know about you, but look at that. Let me get this turned around now. Hold this up for the camera here. See a little smoke in there? Nice cooked all the way through, nice and moist. Now it's my turn. Have a taste. Your turn to be jealous. Here we go. Nice and porky. Get this sweet sour mixture, a little spice to it. Man, those are good. I'm gonna do some regular ribs up in that. I'll tell you what, they're fantastic. Now, thank y'all for joining us today at the Cookhouse. Tell your mom about us, tell the guy down the street. You know, we're aiming for that 500 subscriber mark. Join our family. It's the best way to do it. Hit the little subscribe button down here in the corner. You see our logo. Like and share as always. Comment below, tell me what you think. Join us over on Instagram too. We'll see you next time.